Here's how to easily import external data into a Canva. Go to the Canva homepage and selecting the Sheets icon to open a spreadsheet-style canvas. In your new document, look at the top menu bar for actions and click to find the Import Data function. This opens a panel where you can choose to import data from an app or upload your own file. To use your own file, click Upload Data and select a data file, such as a CSV or Excel spreadsheet, from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. In the Designs category within Uploads, find your uploaded file and click on it. A window will appear asking if you want to replace the current page or add the data as a new page. Select your preferred option. Your external data is now successfully imported and integrated into your Canva document, ready for you to use in your design.